In this video, I'll show you how to stop Google from accessing your emails using AI. And essentially what happens is that Google scans all of your emails, including your financial information, tax information, and personal conversations. And it uses AI against that to, who knows what they're doing with it. So if you want to turn that off, it's very simple. All you have to do is just go to Google, and then there's this top right corner where it says settings. You're going to want to click that, and then you're going to be here in this settings option. If you scroll down, you're going to find something that is called smart features. So if you can't find it, I know there's a lot of stuff here. You can also just search in the bottom smart features using Control F, and just keep searching for it. It's going to tell you the exact location here. So it's right here, smart features. All you want to do is make sure that this setting right here is turned off, and you will no longer have smart features enabled, and AI will no longer be used to look into your information. And it's just that simple. Stay safe. Thanks everyone. Have fun.